possible outcome. In that case, what is the probability to have a 5 from a deck? Well, first of all, you should remember that the deck is made of 52 cards. 52 cards. And in a deck, there is 4, 5. Because there is 4, 5, we will be able to say that the probability to have a 5 is going to be equal to 4 divided by 52. 4 is the number of outcomes favorable to have a 5, and 52 is the total number of possible outcomes, because I can pick up one of the 52 cards. At the end of the day, the probability to have a 5 is 1 over 13. Now, if I take a look at the problem number 27, which is finding the probability to not to have a 5, okay, well, you should remember that the probability to have a 5 plus the probability to not have a 5 is supposed to be equal to 1. So, the probability to not to have a 5 is going to be equal to 1 minus the probability to have a 5. In that case, we got 1 minus the 1 over 13, and the answer is going to be 12 over 13. Now, let's try to talk about the deck by himself. In a deck, we have 13 hearts, 13 clubs, 13 diamonds, and 13 spades. Okay, so if I take a look at the problem number 29. Oh, and by the way, let me go back once again. The hearts are red, the clubs are black, the diamonds are red, and the spades are black. So in the problem number 29, when the question is determine the probability that the card selected is a black card, it's pretty simple to say that the probability to have a black card has to be 26 divided by 52. Why? Because 26 is equal to the 13 black corresponding to the spades plus the 13 card black corresponding to the clubs. So at the end of the day, if you're trying to find the probability to have a black from a deck, it's going to be basically 50% of chance. Okay? Now, on the problem number 30. Okay? What do we have? The question is find the probability to have a diamond. Well, to have a diamond, I know there is 13 diamonds, so it's going to be 13 divided by 52, which is 1/4. So you got 25% of chance to get a diamond. Now if I take a look at number 31, which is finding the probability to have a red or a black, or a black card. Well, obviously, if I pick a card, this card can be red or black. And so that means there is 100% of chance to have a red or a black. You need to pay attention to the word or. That is super duper important, because in the next problem, on problem number 32, Now we're not dealing with the word or, we are dealing with the word and. And the question is, find the probability to have a red card and a black card. And I think you will understand very easily why it is 0, because how can you have in the same time, when you take only one card, that this card could be red and black? It's not possible. So if it's not possible, it is impossible, and so the probability is equal to 0.